Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix Uber Eats ID verification. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Here, click on Network and Internet from the left side. Now check your Wi-Fi connection. If it is turned off, turn it back on and make sure you are connected to a strong and stable internet connection. Then click on Advanced Network Settings. Now select Network Reset and follow the prompts to refresh your network settings. After that, click on Windows Update from the left side. Then click Check for updates and install any available updates. This can help resolve system or browser-related issues that may affect verification. Now go back to the desktop and open the Run dialog. Here type temp and click OK. A temporary files folder will open. Delete all the files you can to clear unnecessary temporary data. Then go back and open the Run dialog again. This time type %10% and click OK. Now delete the files in this folder as well. Next, open the Recycle bin. Here click Empty Recycle bin to permanently remove the deleted files. Now open Google Chrome. Then click on the three dots from the top right corner. Click Settings. Here click on Privacy and Security. Now click Delete Browsing Data. Select the desired time range and check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Then click Delete Data and wait for the process to complete. Once finished, close and reopen Google Chrome. Now open the Uber Eats website or Uber Driver app and sign in again. When verifying your ID, make sure the document is clear, well lit, and fully visible. Also check that your account details match your ID information. Then submit the verification request and wait for Uber Eats to review it. If it still doesn't work, check for any messages requesting additional documents or information. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.